questions on railways, Indian Railways. So first question, who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Answer, Lord Dalhousie. Second question, who is India's first female train driver? Who is India's first female train driver or loco pilot? So answer, Surekha Yadav in 1988. Third question, which Indian state has no railway station? Which Indian state has no railway station? Answer, Sikkim. Fourth question, when was the first self-printing ticket machine introduced? When was the first self-printing ticket machine introduced? Answer, 1990 in New Delhi. Fifth question, which railway station in India is the world's longest railway platform? Which railway station in India is the world's longest railway platform? Answer, Gorakhpur railway platform. Next question, which is the busiest railway station in India? Which is the busiest railway station in India? Answer, Howrah Junction railway station. Seventh question, which is the busiest metro station in India? Which is the busiest metro station in India? Answer, Rajiv Chowk metro station. Which is the largest metro in India? Answer, Delhi Metro. The largest suburban railway network in India? Answer, Kolkata Suburban Railway. Ninth question, when were air-conditioned 3-tier coaches and a sleeper class introduced? In 1993. When did Indian Railways begin online train reservation and ticketing? 3 August 2002. When was the tackle system of ticketing introduced? In 1997. India's fastest train with a maximum speed of 180 km per hour? Answer, Vande Bharat Express train. 18. Next question, Indian Railway announced that the entire rail network would be electrified by in 2022. 14th question, when was the first railway budget for independent India presented? Answer, 1947. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? Pir Panjal railway tunnel. Next question, which is the oldest running train in the history of Indian Railways? Answer, Kalka Mail. Which is the longest train route in India? Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari Vivek Express. Which is India's first AC double-decker train? Answer, Howrah Dhanbad AC double-decker express. Thank you, friends.